So arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Except first term, if you add anything in the preceding term by a fixed number, you get the next term. For example, here, if you add 5 and 2, you get 7. Again, if you add 5 and 7, you get 12. Similarly, so for example, let's take example of 27. Preceding term of 27 is 22. So if you add 5 again in 22, you get 27. Now each of the numbers in the list is called a term. So each of these numbers, for example, 2 is a term, 7 is a term, minus 10 is a term, 5 is a term, 20 is a term, 35 is a, so each of these numbers will be called a term into this one. Now what is common difference? Difference between two consecutive numbers is called common difference. So two consecutive numbers, for example, 13 and 7. These are two consecutive numbers. So difference between these two, 13 minus 7 equal to 6. Similarly, difference between 19 and 13, because they are consecutive terms. So 19 minus 13 equal to 6. So common difference is the difference between two consecutive numbers. Now common difference formula can be given as Tn plus 1 minus Tn. Tn plus 1 is nothing but n plus 1th term, and Tn is nothing but nth term of arithmetic progression. Now what is general form of arithmetic progression? General form of an arithmetic progression is given by a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, dot dot dot. It will be like this. So if you see, the difference between two consecutive terms is a fixed number, that is d. So if you subtract first from the second, you get d. Second from third, again you get a d, which is nothing but the common difference. So general form of arithmetic progression is given like this. Now, what are different types of arithmetic progression? So there are two types of arithmetic progression. One is finite arithmetic progression and second is infinite arithmetic progression. Now in finite arithmetic progression, you have finite number of terms. So uh, so there is a limited number of terms into finite arithmetic progression. For example, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 16. So there are 6 terms into this arithmetic progression. So it is a finite number of terms. So it is called a finite arithmetic progression. Now infinite arithmetic progression means there is infinite number of terms. For example, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, dot 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 dot, which it means that it will go till infinity. So there is an infinite number of terms. It is not limited only to 6 terms, because here you are indicating by dot dot dot, which means it will go till infinity. So there is an infinite number of terms into this one. That is why it is called infinite arithmetic progression.